Well, my friends, we have Christmas in June. I wasn't expecting this until on Thursday, but look at this. I just got my first order of these in, so I'm going to start filling my prepaid back orders. And by golly, if anybody out there wants them, I'd suggest getting a pre-order put in now. And they're starting to come in. So I might not be able to use it until the day after tomorrow, because I wasn't expecting it in quite this quick. But I'm not going to go through the unboxing and all that stuff. I mean, you've seen 100 detectors taken out of a box before, so that's really not a big deal. The big deal is this machine itself. And I'm going to get this thing put together, and I'm going to get out as soon as I can and start sharing what I learned about it, how it works for me, what I think about it, honestly. And we're going to have a lot of fun. Minelab GPX 6000. The Eagle has landed. I'm excited. Nugget shooter out.